Hi, I am Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 6. I study in Bisam Shastranagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am going to tell you about oviparous animals. So here I go. So firstly we should know who are oviparous animals. Oviparous animals lay eggs. When it comes to oviparity, the development of zygote, which is the earliest developmental stage of the embryo, takes place outside the female's body. In oviparity, the chances of survival are less, despite in fact that the female makes every attempt to find a safe environment to lay eggs. And the eggs are covered with a hard shell to protect the development embryo. All birds, most reptiles, and even some mammals are oviparous in nature. Now I am going to tell you about some birds, some animals of which are oviparous. So the first animal is ostrich. You know that ostrich is the largest egg-laying bird. Its egg size is 13 centimeter multiplied by 16 centimeter. The weight is between 1.1 to 1.9 kgs. Shell's thickness is 2.4 millimeter. It can bear weight of 120 kgs. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest egg-laying bird. Average size is 8 millimeter multiplied by 13 millimeter. Weight is equals to half a gram. It is 2000 times smaller than the largest egg produced by ostrich. You can see how small the eggs of the hummingbird are. They are like coffee beans. Hen. It is a popular egg-laying animal. The eggs laid by hen are used in making omelets, half fries, etc. There are only two mammals which lay eggs, and they are Platypus and Echidna. And you should know that Echidna is called as spiny anteater. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.